Guys, welcome back to Limon's the kitchen. Thank you guys for coming back to my kitchen. Guys, in this video we are going to prepare okra soup, and this is the meat I'm using for my okra soup. I'm using cow leg for my okra soup, but this cow leg is very hard, so I have to boil or cook in a different pot for about 30 minutes. So you can choose to boil your cow leg without seasoning, but I prefer seasoning my cow leg. So guys, the cow leg is well cooked. It's well cooked after 30 minutes. So in a different pot, I'll add onions to my meat. I'll start my okra soup with my meat, then season it because this meat is very soft. So I can't boil the cow leg with the meat together. That's why I separated the cow leg from the meat. So I'll go ahead and add my natural spice, my blended ginger, garlic, pepper and onions to my meat and stir. After stirring, I added little amount of water to my meat. Don't forget to sprinkle salt on it to taste. So guys, I have added my grated okra soup. This okra soup is not cooked. It's uncooked okra soup. So I've added to my sauce. So you can add any sea fish of your choice. I'm using mackerel. I'll add mackerel to my soup. So after the okra is well cooked, I will add my cow leg to my sauce. So guys, in a different pan, I heated my oil, my palm oil, added my chopped or sliced onions to it. So I'm going to fry this for about 5 minutes. Then I'll add my pepper. After adding my pepper, I'll add my tomato, liquid tomato, then fry it until the water dries up. After frying all the ingredients for about 10 minutes. I'll add it to my okra soup. Then it's ready to be served. If today is your first time coming across my video, don't forget to click on the link to my YouTube channel, subscribe, like, and leave comments in the comment section. Thank you guys. So you are going to fry this until the water dries up. So guys, after you add the sauce, the little sauce you made with the palm oil to your okra soup, we have so many ways of making the okra soup. I have the first method on my channel. This is the second method I use for this okra soup. You season or fry your tomato, pepper, onions in another pot. Then after it's well cooked, you add it to the okra soup. This is the second method. The first method is already on my channel. So thank you guys for watching to an end. God bless you. See you guys on my next video. Bye bye.